Did you know that dandelion seeds travel over 5 miles on the wind? As the breeze picks up, these delicate fluff balls emerge, swirling and twirling like tiny dancers. Imagine a close-up of a seed drifting, sunlight catching its silky threads, while whispers of the wind create a symphony of nature's song. What's a memory you have associated with dandelions? Let us know in the comments. Which nature wonder should we feature next? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for your daily dose of nature inspiration.